All right, so here with Tech Minded, aka Trent. Had a little problem on my 2011 GMC Sierra. I had a panel try to come off of my truck, and it's been like that for about 3 months now. So we are going to see if we can put some epoxy on it and try to get this worked out. This is the epoxy that we're going to use.
Fix his phone screen. Fix.
Tech Minded used it on a phone screen, so why not use it on a truck, right?
Keep making it work.
All right, so let me get this thing set up. Probably need to be a little bit closer. All right. Oh, that works. Don't rub it in grass.
That's how you clean your tip.
It's not how I clean my tip.
No.
We'll cut that out.
That'll mix it up.
Just looks like glue.
It is. That's all it is.
Well, hell, I had some glue in the house. Go on now. Get out of my camera view now. Go.
We're gonna just put it in here real nice. Try to smooth it in there without getting on anything. We might.
I think this is gonna take the whole thing.
Let me mix some more real quick. We got 5 minutes, roughly. Whoa.
That one farted at you.
It pooted.
It says quick setting.
Yeah.
Spot right here on my finger. Glue's outside.
Yeah. Then you can get the grinder out and grind it off.
Oh Lord. Get some on the bottom.
So it's probably how they did it at the used car dealership before you bought it.
Might be.
All right, shot. Slap on there. Then just hold it.
Shit. Got one of the rags out of your truck.
You gonna epoxy a rag to it too?
I'm gonna try to wipe the excess off before we have a problem. Banner?
This was like a prank video for Trent, and it was never gonna dry.
I'll eventually let go of it, trust me.
Millie's, hey girl. They both have their noses in the camera. And go, it'll be cute. It'll be like this. They said Millie's hair will be like this. Look, this is an Abby's like this. Millie's like this. Her big old nostrils.
Okay, so finished product. As you can see, it is stuck back the way it's supposed to be. Now, it took about 15 to 20 minutes worth of holding with pressure before it dried. I don't know if they have any that dries any faster than that, but looks like a brand new truck all over again. Don't forget to hit the like button, share, subscribe, whatever. Appreciate y'all. Peace out.